Hello guys, welcome to Askia Solusi channel. In this video, we will guide you how to turn off tablet mode on Windows 10. You should watch this video tutorial until the end and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bells to get the latest updates from Askia Solusi channel. How to enable or disable tablet mode in Windows 10. Windows 10's tablet mode provides a more touch-friendly experience by making all applications run at full screen and giving you a start screen instead of a start menu. If you have a 2-in-1 device, Windows 10 asks you if you want to enter tablet mode every time you convert your notebook into a slate. However, if you want to switch between tablet and desktop modes manually, stick with desktop mode even on a tablet, or avoid the prompt and have it switch to tablet mode automatically. You can change the settings, and if you want to only use the on-screen keyboard, check out this separate guide. Configuring tablet mode involves 3 basic actions. First, go to the tablet mode tab under Settings System. Second, toggle the Make Windows More Touch-Friendly option on or off. 3. Select whether the device switches modes automatically, prompts you, or never switch. Step-by-step instruction turn off tablet mode. First, click Settings on the Start menu. Second, select System. Third, select tablet mode in the left pane. A tablet mode sub-menu appears. Fourth, toggle Make Windows More Touch-Friendly. 2 on to enable tablet mode. Toggle it off to go to desktop mode. 5. Select Don't Ask Me and Always Switch from the When This Device Automatically Switches menu if you want Windows 10 to switch modes on your 2-in-1 without prompting you. 6. Done. Thank you for watching the video, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to get the latest update from the Askia Solusi channel. See you again!